Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am introducing new recipe to all, that is egg bonda and moringa leaf pakoda. Let's see how to make. First I am going to make egg bonda. The primary ingredients are of course boiled egg, which is also called as nutritional powerhouses. Firstly we have to chop egg on 4 sides, and at the same time we have to mix salt, chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. And we have to roll boiled egg in this space. Now we have to take 3 spoon of gram flour and 1 spoon of rice flour and garlic ginger paste, garam masala and turmeric powder and chili powder and salt, and pour some water. Mix all ingredients better to the smooth paste. Add eggs in the paste and roll it. Later turn on the gas. Pour some oil and heat the oil in a pan. Dip in it and fry in a hot oil until its color changes. Now our bonda color is changed. Take it off from the oil. Now we are going to preparing moringa leaf pakoda from same paste. First you have to add cumin and chili and coriander leaf and chopped onion and moringa leaf. Moringa have many health benefits like prevent the cancers and promote the heart health and promote the brain health also, and strengthen the bone and anti-antigen benefits, fight with inflammations, like it's have many health benefits. Mix it well and make thick consistency. Take a little amount of paste in our hand and add it to the warm oil. Fry it well until it turns to brown color. Once it turns to brown color, take it off from the oil. This moringa leaf pakoda is too crispy and it's have many health benefits. Like it's nourish your skin and hair, it contain vitamin A and also it's contain iron more than the spinach and vitamin C, calcium than the milk. Now our pakoda is ready to take it off from the oil. Our crispy pakoda is ready. At the same time, I am here preparing coffee for me. First, I am here taking a brew powder and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. After that, add hot milk. That another milk glass is for my sister. And mix it well. Now I am going to enjoy with the egg bonda and moringa leaf pakoda with the coffee. What about you guys? So hope you will give this a try and let me know in the comment section how it's turned out for you. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Tata.